Can you see that sweat? Y'all, this is from an at-home workout. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Antoinette, and this is technically week 3 of me working from home and staying at home. And it's been quite a journey. You know, I'm used to just working home just one day a week, but now it's like every day, all day, not leaving the house. And so I've got to come up with some kind of routine, right? Like I've got to get moving. I usually like to walk in the mornings during like regular work days, and I take the stairs up the metro system, but all of that is gone now that I'm working from home. And you see Hun's here with me too. Say hey, Hun.
Hey guys.
So it's just me and Hun in this little apartment all day long, and so I've got to exercise. Gyms are closed, as you guys know, but our apartment isn't closed. I can still work out at home, and I actually like working out at home. You know, I like the gym, but I also like balancing with at-home workouts. You know, haha, hashtag introvert. Today, I'm going to show you some of my favorite at-home workouts. You guys can look these people up. I'll put all their links in the description box below, but these are my favorite at-home workouts, and I like to work out hard. Like, I like to sweat. I like something that's challenging. I like good choreography. I like things that keep moving. I don't want to do the same thing, you know, for 5 minutes straight. I like variety. I like it when the instructors have energy. They seem like cool people. And so I'm going to show you some of my favorite at-home workouts, whether it's on YouTube or through DVD. I've got a whole collection, and we're just going to go ahead and get that workout in. At the end of the day, just because I'm stuck at home doesn't mean that I can't work out and still be fit and healthy. I can still do it. So come along and I'll show you what I mean. Before we get started, it's such a gloomy day outside. It's hard to see from out there because we're in the ground floor, but we've got nice windows, but it's just kind of a gray day. So that makes working out that much more important for me. But all right, enough of the gloomy day. We're gonna get our workout in, get those endorphins going, and we're gonna stay healthy. Yeah, let's go. My hair is all up in a bun, as you can see. Got my workout clothes on. Woohoo! I love wearing just kind of like a basic tank and some shorts to work out at home. Doesn't have to be anything fancy or anything like that. So now the next step, I've got to move this table out of the way because, as you guys know, if you've got a small apartment like I do, space matters. So you got to be able to like move and shift stuff around. So I'm going to move the table out, get set up, and then keep it moving. And my big heavy coffee table is actually on these spacers, which makes moving it super easy. So I've got a couple of favorite workouts that I like to do when I'm at home. Now it's just a matter of selecting the right video. Sometimes you need equipment and sometimes you don't. So I like to vary my workouts between those that require some type of weights or some type of like exercise ball or something. So as you can see, back over there, I've got my exercise ball, and believe it or not, that little area right there, that's my like little workout center. So I'll show you some of my favorite DVDs. First, we're gonna start off with the home DVD collection. So these are all available. I got them all off Amazon, or I got them as gifts, but here are my favorite ones. First, it's Cindy Whitmore's Incredible Abs series from Exercise TV. These are all oldies but goodies, y'all, okay? Like, they still make me sweat. I still am sore afterwards because of the burn. But I love this Incredible Abs series. They come in volumes 1 and volume 2. Each of the series has about 3 to 4 20-minute straight exercises that just focus on your abs. The most you might need is maybe a ball and maybe some type of weight. It could be like a water bottle if you don't have any weights, but I love these. First, golden off the top. Next, I have Exercise TVs and Crunch Fitness. I used to be a member of Crunch Gym. Oh my gosh. For a while, but I had to quit because I was paying off my student loans. And so I got one of their DVDs. This is called the Eroticise series. Now, just wait, don't judge me. Before you start, they do 3 different videos. One of them is a stretch video that's really good after a stressful day. You really get an excellent 20-minute stretch. Then we have like a stiletto strength if you wear heels. It's a great like heel and calf workout. and then there's like a burlesque beat. So you kind of get to do some fun dance moves. I like to dance, so that's my next DVD that I love. Continuing with the whole dance theme, I have Lean and Chiseled Xtend Barre, and I believe Hun got that for me. Did you get this for me, Hun?
I believe I did get it.
Yeah. So Hun got me this. This is a ballet inspired. If you've ever had a barre class, you know that barre is no joke. And so I got the Xtend Lean and Chisel Barre workout. It's a ballet inspired workout, and it's pretty tough, and I like it because it is tough. This DVD is about 55 minutes. You can choose between a couple of different workouts, whether you want like an express or longer length version, so that's what I like. My next is, again, another oldie but goodie. I love Pilates, so Shape Pilates is another one. You can either do this like 12-minute total body blitz or the full workout, which is maybe about 30 minutes, I think it is. And I love Lizbeth Garcia for Pilates. Amazing. And my all-time favorite, this is a real oldie. They have been around forever, it seems. And it is the Firm series. I remember back in the day, I have my Firm weights. What I like about them is, I don't think they sell them anymore, but they're adjustable. So each little piece is like 1 pound. So this right here is one of the weights. This is 1 pound. The bar is 1 pound. And then the other weight is 1 pound. So you can kind of assemble your weights and you can like double it up. And so this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pound weight, or you can have 3 pound weight or 1 pound weight, or you can double everything up. I love the Firm. And so this is Total Body Crunch. And then I have their whole cardio weight system from back in the day, which is essentially 3 DVDs put together with a bonus workout. Each of the 3 different workouts has an express, like 20-minute version or 25-minute version, or a full-length 30 to 45-minute version. And this, again, every time, I've been doing this thing for years, and every single time, I am sore after I finish this, and no pain, no gain for me. Yep, so those are my favorite DVD series, but of course, who has DVDs anymore except for this girl right here. But I also like to do exercise workouts on YouTube as well as Amazon Prime. If you didn't know, if you go on Amazon Prime, they actually have like fitness workouts for you. And the same thing with YouTube. YouTube has a ton of excellent fitness instructors and people who are just health nuts who just take you along with their workout. You can follow along. You can work out at home. They are quality workouts. Of course, you might have to go through a couple and determine your style, whether you want dance or do you want Pilates? Do you want kind of hardcore strength training? Do you want at-home workouts? Do you want gym workouts? Like, YouTube has it all, y'all. And so I'll show you some of my favorite now. I'm going to be doing Chloe Ting's workout. If you haven't heard of Chloe Ting, oh my gosh, subscribe to her channel. I've been doing her 2-week shred series, and it is amazing. It's almost taken me like 2 months to do the 2-week shred, but that's another story. But on her website, Chloe's got this great 2-week shred program where every day, I'm on the last day today, you follow each that she lists here, and then you'll be done with the program. So each day gives you a rest, and which workouts to do to be a part of her program. I'm on day 14, which is 4 workouts for a total of 47 minutes. And it's do this to lose weight every day, abs in 2 weeks, lower body burn, and core and arms. And so she's one of my favorite. So whatever you like, just YouTube it, YouTube is free, so you don't have to pay for a DVD if you don't want to. Just go on YouTube, type in what type of exercise you're looking to do, whether it's like a challenge. That I love to do the challenges because they keep me focused and accountable, and I don't really have to think about it. I just have to do what they're doing to the best of my ability, and and then I see results, and it keeps me in shape, keeps me focused. Exercise keeps your mind clear and focused and happy. So if I'm gonna be at home, I might as well work out and enjoy doing it. And another thing I want to mention is, now that Hun is here with me, hello Hun. Hey. Hun is kind of like my personal trainer. So sometimes both of us can fit in this, you know, this kind of limited exercise space, and other times we don't. So it's kind of fun to have Hun here, like, motivating me. And where are you going, Hun?
I'll be right back.
Ah, so my trainer will be right back. But while he's coming back, let's go ahead and get Chloe Ting pulled up and get this workout started. And I have Apple TV, y'all, so hey. When I search Chloe Ting, and boom, her workouts pop up. It's nice to have this up in the living room because I can like select so many different workouts. It's crazy. And she's got a whole playlist where this is my 2-week shred challenge. All right, I've got Coach Kevin here on the couch. You ready to motivate and inspire Coach Kevin?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's
Don't
go.
talk about it, just do it.
There you go. Don't talk about it, be about it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. High five, Coach Kevin. Boom. I got my mat down here. I've got my phone so I know when it's time for the next video. And I got Coach K back here. Coach K, let's go.
Let's do it.
3 sets, 7 exercises, 5 to 10 seconds rest in between.
Don't quit on me.
I'm not gonna quit. But it's hard. Done with the first video. If you can tell, I don't know if you can tell, hair all out of whack. Whew. Baby hair is getting all out of order. Whew. Definitely sweating. I don't know if you can tell, the shirt's kind of sweating, but I'm sweating. Coach K, what do you think Coach K set one?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
I gotta do better than good.
You're doing great.
Okay, great. Now it's time for the second out of 4 videos. Video 2, done. Now it's time for video 3 out of 4. Let's go. Woo, let's do it. Next set, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jump, and then jump to the right. Oof.
That's right, way to recover.
Thanks, hon.
Yeah.
Thanks, Coach K. Woo, Coach K joins me. Super sweaty. Can you tell? Can you see that sweat? Y'all, this is from an at-home workout. You can tell I just finished the 3rd workout. Ears are popping, hair flying. This is all at home. Her videos are like 10 to 15 minutes each. Like, ridiculous. I'm sweating this much from an at-home workout. I love it. Last video. Let's go.
Don't you quit on me.
And I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna quit. Woo, for balance.
Up and down. Up.
I'm shaking. I'm like shaking. Ah. Y'all, look, we're all done. All 4 videos. Day 14, finished. Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath, y'all. Sorry, but like I'm like sweating everywhere. Like, look at this. I can even see look at that. I can even see the sweat in the viewfinder. Oh, it's disgusting, but that's so good at the same time. Because if you're not sweating, man, you gotta get those toxins out, man. Like, whew. Coach K is over there. Did I do all right, Coach K?
Yep, you're doing fine.
Time for some water.
It's time for you to take a shower.
Oh, really? Really, babe? You gonna do me like that on camera?
Oh, I'm just saying, you know.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some water. Ooh, thanks, Coach K.
Yeah.
Look, y'all. Coach K got me some of my favorite bougie lemon water. Some tips for working out at home, y'all. Try not to sip a whole lot of water in the middle of the workout. It might lead to cramping. I tried that once. Doesn't work. Bad idea. So make sure if you have to get water in the middle that you take really small sips. You're not gulping because it could lead to cramps. Make sure you've cleared your whole space like we did here. There's like nothing left on the floor but the mat that I'm sitting on. So make sure your space is cleared. Make sure you can properly see everything on your TV screen or your phone screen. That really helps. You need to see what you're doing so that you're not doing the movement wrong, which could lead to injury. Make sure you're feeling good too. If you're feeling horrible, don't work out. If you're feeling super weak and like you're gonna faint or something, don't work out. Just pick it back up another day. Again, all the YouTube workouts, they're free. So they're gonna still be there at the end of the day. If you have any equipment, make sure that's nearby. Make sure you have clothing that doesn't get in your way. I like to wear, you know, just some shorts and a tank and maybe like a sports bra. Make sure it's not so loose as to fall and get in your way. You could slip and injure yourself. If you need to use any type of knee brace or wrist brace, make sure you have those on before the workout and make sure you have everything you need for the workout right next to you so you don't have to pause and go run and get it and whatnot. And if you got a Coach K with you, which, come on, Coach K.
Oh, I'm not going to give you a hug. Well,
Oh, he's not giving me a hug. So if you got yourself a roommate or a hun, then make sure, you know, to stay motivated. Or if you want to FaceTime like your relatives and your friends and say, you know what, let's just put on this, you know, YouTube workout. Let's all do it together. FaceTime each other while you're doing it.
yep.
Yeah, have a nice motivating person here, Coach K. Good
Yep.
job, Coach K.
Oh, thanks.
So have someone to motivate. You know, it still can be a community thing without actually being in the same space. So yeah, FaceTime people, Skype them, Facebook, you know, go on Facebook Live with your friends, have a watch party, do whatever you need to do to stay in community. And last but not least, when you're all done sweating and being disgusting on this mat, burning all the carbs, all the calories, once you're done burning everything off, wipe your mat down, people. Like, don't sweat on the mat and then like just leave it sweaty and roll it back up. That'll lead to fungus and you don't want fungus. So I'll put a link to all of my favorite DVDs and like YouTube workouts. Feel free to join me one day. Leave in the comment below if you know of any other great YouTubers or other great DVDs or any other fitness people that we can do while we're all at home. Please drop them in the comments below. I am always interested in trying new workouts, new things, because you know, you gotta switch it up. If you keep doing the same thing over and over again, you're not gonna see the results you want. But, you know, just keep it fresh. Whether it's dance or weight training or Pilates or ball exercises or yoga, Pilates, whatever it is, if you think it's fascinating and interesting, put the link down below and I will be sure to check it out. I'm gonna get something to eat, stay refreshed, hydrated. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I like to make a lot of travel, food, and lifestyle videos. So come on and join the Frolic and Courage family and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye!